We're here at the Hampton Inn here in Lafayette, Indiana. Check out what we have here. We got Schindler MT here to ride. It's under level. These bigger ones are easier to navigate. Here it is. It's alright, I guess. Let's go to 3. It is definitely always. Going down?
Oh, can we get it?
I'm going down.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
No problem.
That's a lot of bus.
I know, that's so weird. Do it. Yeah,
There you
I got it. So we can't watch a movie.
Go ahead.
Thank you.
No problem.
Thank you.
No problem. That one's sticky.
You going up?
Yeah, I'm going up. What floor?
3, please.
There we go. Here you go, there's 3rd floor.
Thanks, you appreciate it.
No problem. Schindler MT. It was Stu Westy. This is whole list. Look at all that thick metal. MT buttons. I mean, they could use a cap upgrade, but it's an older property. It's an older Hampton property. Schindler plate, which is rubbed off. Now watch this. Very 90s fire alarm thing. It's not red, it's white for some reason. Anyway, I guess that is gonna be it for me.